Same for 10 raised to 6. You only remember this important part. How to convert this into standard form. Always remember 1, 3 raised to 3 into 10 into 1 into 1 digit only, and remaining everything, if there are points, then in points and into 10 raised to something. Next, the value of 7 raised to minus 1 minus 8 raised to minus 1, the whole raised to minus 1 minus 3 raised to minus 1 minus 4 raised to minus 1, the whole raised to minus 1 is. See here, we have solved a similar problem earlier. Just convert this minus 1 to plus 1. How? Invert and do. Reverse them. So 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 8, the whole raised to minus 1, right? Outside bracket minus 1, keep it as it is for now. Minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4, the whole raised to minus 1. Solve within the brackets. So 8 minus 7 upon 56, right? That is 1 upon 56 minus, here again the same, 4 minus 3 upon 12, that is 1 upon 12 raised to minus 1. Now again reverse this. Convert this minus 1 to plus 1. So it will be 56 above and 12 above in the numerator. So it will be 56 minus 12, that is 44. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.